Top 10 mysterious signals detected from space. Vertical bar, real data or science fiction? What if the universe is trying to talk to us? Not with spaceships or flying saucers, but through signals, brief, powerful bursts of energy from deep space that appear without warning and vanish just as quickly. These aren't fictional tales from a sci-fi novel. They are real, and scientists have been picking them up for decades. Some have explanations, many do not, and a few, well, they're just downright unexplainable. From fast radio bursts that last milliseconds to repeating signals from billions of light years away, the cosmos is sending messages. The only question is, who or what is sending them? Welcome back to our channel, your gateway to the mysteries of the universe where science meets the unexplained. Today, we dive into one of the most fascinating topics in modern astronomy, mysterious signals detected from space. Get ready as we count down the top 10 most mysterious signals from space, a perfect blend of cutting-edge science and the kind of mystery that would make even the best science fiction writers pause. Number 10, the wow signal. Let's start with one of the most famous space signals ever recorded. On August 15, 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio picked up a 72-second-long signal that was so strong and unusual. Astronomer Jerry Emmons circled it on the printout and wrote the word "wow" next to it. This signal came from the Sagittarius constellation and matched the expected signature of an interstellar transmission: narrow band, focused, and strong. Scientists tried to detect it again. They scanned the same region for years, but it never reappeared. To this day, the wow signal remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in SETI history. Number 9. FRB 121102, the repeater. In 2012, a new kind of signal rocked the scientific world: fast radio bursts, or FRBs. These are intense, millisecond-long radio pulses from distant galaxies. Most of them are one-time events, but in 2016, astronomers discovered something unprecedented: FRB 121102, a repeating fast radio burst from 3 billion light-years away. Its origin? Unknown. Some theories suggest it comes from a highly magnetized neutron star called a magnetar. Others think it could be a sign of alien technology. The repeating nature of FRB 121102 makes it a goldmine for research, and one of the most compelling mysteries in the cosmos. Number 8. The Lorimer burst. Before FRBs became a known phenomenon, there was the Lorimer burst, the very first fast radio burst ever discovered. In 2007, astronomers going through archived data found a single, extremely bright radio pulse that lasted just 5 milliseconds. The burst seemed to come from billions of light years away, but the data was so strange that many thought it might be a computer glitch. It wasn't. The Lorimer burst is now recognized as the discovery that opened the door to an entirely new class of cosmic phenomena: fast radio bursts. But the origin of the Lorimer burst itself, still unsolved. Number 7. The SHGB2 plus 14 signal. In 2004, an unusual radio signal was detected during the SETI at Home project, a distributed computing experiment where people use their personal computers to help scan the skies. The signal was designated SHGB2 plus 14, and it came from a region between the constellations Pisces and Aries, an area with no known stars or planets. However, it was never detected again. Some believe it was interference. Others aren't so sure. Its location in an empty patch of sky and its brief, intelligent-like qualities have left researchers scratching their heads. Number 6. The Kepler-Tabby star dimming events. While not a signal in the traditional sense, Tabby star, officially KICA 462852, has fascinated astronomers for nearly a decade. First observed by the Kepler Space Telescope, this star exhibited bizarre and dramatic drops in brightness up to 22%, which is far more than what a planet would cause during a transit. Natural explanations like dust clouds or comets were proposed, but none of them fully fit the data. Some scientists, very cautiously, floated the idea of a Dyson sphere, a hypothetical megastructure built by an advanced civilization to harvest energy from their star. Is it aliens? Probably not, but as of now, no conclusive explanation exists. Number 5. FRB 180,916, the predictable one. Unlike most fast radio bursts that are random, FRB 180,916, J158 plus 65 became the first to show a predictable, repeating pattern. Discovered in 2018, this signal repeats every 16.35 days like clockwork. It transmits for 4 days, then goes silent for 12. This behavior led scientists to propose a binary system where a neutron star orbits another massive object, creating periodic windows where the signal can escape. But even with this theory, the regularity of the bursts and their strength continue to puzzle scientists. Natural object? Rotating beacon? It's still an open question. Number 4. Pulsar PSRB 1931 plus 24, the intermittent signal. Pulsars are the lighthouses of the universe, rotating neutron stars that emit beams of radiation. But PSRB 1931 plus 24 is no ordinary pulsar. It behaves unlike any other ever observed. It pulses for about a week, then goes completely silent for over a month. Then it comes back, repeats the process, again and again. What makes this bizarre is the fact that its slowdown rate, the rate at which it loses energy, changes depending on whether it's active or silent. This shouldn't happen. The mechanism behind this switching is unknown. Some suspect a strange interaction with surrounding plasma. Others wonder if it's something entirely new. Number 3. The gamma-ray bursts of unknown origin. Gamma-ray bursts are the most energetic events in the universe, often linked to supernovas or neutron star collisions. But in several cases, gamma-ray bursts have been detected without any accompanying explosion, star death, or known source. One such burst, GRB 070125, came from a region in space with no visible galaxy, star system, or a supernova remnant. Some scientists speculate these could come from primordial black holes, exotic particles, or even extraterrestrial engineering. Whatever the cause, these unexplained gamma-ray bursts challenge our understanding of high-energy astrophysics. Number 2. The BLC-1 signal, Breakthrough Listen's mystery. In 2020, the Breakthrough Listen project detected a signal from the direction of Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our solar system. Dubbed BLC-1, the signal appeared narrow-band and unmodulated, exactly what we'd expect from an artificial source. It held steady for several hours and had no known terrestrial explanation. The scientific community buzzed with speculation. However, later studies suggested it was likely due to Earth-based interference. Still, the excitement surrounding BLC-1 highlights how seriously scientists take these mysterious signals and how hard it is to distinguish a genuine message from cosmic or human-made noise. Number 1. The repeating fast radio bursts from M81, the nearest mystery. Our number 1 spot goes to a recent and truly bizarre discovery. In 2021, scientists detected repeating FRBs coming from the M81 galaxy, just 12 million light-years away, the closest repeating FRBs ever found. What's unusual is that these signals seem to originate from a globular cluster, an old, densely packed collection of stars where neutron stars and magnetars are extremely rare. How could a magnetar, thought to be the source of FRBs, exist in such a region? Some even speculate that globular clusters might be good places for advanced civilizations to exist, stable, long-lasting, and full of raw material. Are we looking at a natural mystery or the distant whisper of intelligence? The universe is vast, mysterious, and still largely unknown. These signals, ranging from brief, unexplained pulses to repeating cosmic broadcasts, remind us that we're only just beginning to understand what's out there. If you found this journey through the strangest signals from space as fascinating as we did, be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode.